Good afternoon. Sorry, I just woke up and I am getting ready for work, but I cannot forget my makeup, so I'm going to start with my lip lacquer, or new lip lacquer. It's a 3-step process, and I'm just going to show you how it's done. This one is the rose color. I've already tried the cherry and the plum, and I love them both. So this is the packaging. There's tape on the side, so I'm just going to open it. And inside you have the directions, and it shows you the 3 tubes for the process, showing you this first one is going to be the actual lip color lip lacquer. The second one is going to be the sealer. And then the third one that you do once you're done with your day is going to be the eraser. And so just to see up close. Alrighty, and then I'm going to go ahead and open it. And so the thing about this lip lacquer is that it's going to stay all day. The cherry one I tried at night just to kind of practice, but yesterday I wore the plum all day. The only thing I did was apply the sealer once, but it stayed all day. It did not get on my cups or anything, so that was super cool to not have to apply that throughout the day. You know, there's a lot of lips here, so I got to have it all covered. But this is how the tube looks, super cute. And then here is the rose color. And then I'm just going to apply it just like anything else. Oh, that's cute. And the thing about the eraser is you can also use that if you apply it above or under your lip too much. But I like the fine tip because it helps you outline. I'm making sure I get everywhere. And so the thing about this is you do have to let it dry a bit. And with this, you don't do like a regular lip gloss or anything where you put your lips together because it will stick. So, I'm going to let that dry a bit. But here is the sealer. I'm going to stop talking for a bit. Color is cute. This is the one I've been waiting to try. Keep telling y'all to stop talking, but I don't. Almost done. Okay, and so as you can see, it's like more like a matte finish. But that's where the sealer comes in, where it makes it a glossy finish. And still feel the ends. Those that are watching, thank you. Please like and share. I have a goal to have 5 people try. Alrighty. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that lip sealer now. So the first time I did the cherry, I learned not to put too much sealer. I thought I needed more because I have more lips. That's not the case. You don't need too much. And so, I also learned yesterday that, yes, the sealer may show on stuff, although it's clear. Show you that one. And this one you can make sure is everywhere. Here's the finish. But the sealer is going to come off, but your lips are not going to come off. So that's why the sealer comes off throughout the day. And I applied it once yesterday. That's when I just realized it looked more matte than glossy. But again, it did not come off on cups or anything. I mean, I was grubbing at lunch yesterday and I thought it was going to be all over my sandwich. Nothing. So yeah, that is our new lip lacquer. Let me show you the eraser. Here's the eraser. It's like a pink glossy look. And so at the end of the day, when I'm done showing off my lips, I'm just going to apply this to my lips and then get a like thick paper towel or even a washcloth to take it off, because this is the only way you can take it off. It's not going to come off unless you use the eraser. That's the thing about it. It's made to stay on all day, so to take it off you have to have the eraser. This kit is $39. Again, it comes with the lip lacquer color, the sealer, and the eraser. This is rose, and there is plum, which is like a purplish color, and then cherry, which is a very vibrant red. Thanks again for watching. Please again like and share. If you would like to try it, let me know, inbox me, comment. Also, please follow my or like my Facebook page. You can just type in 100, the number, MKAND1WON, to see all the sales, new products, and everything that I have going on. And I will also share this video there. I also have a YouTube if you want to check it out, where I will have a lot of Mary Kay stuff as well as other things like hair, beauty, and fashion. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a good day. Bye. Get your lip lacquer.